This is the best no budget gaming and streaming PC build for 2025. I'll link all these parts in the description below. The Ryzen 9 9950X 3D is the ultimate choice for gaming and streaming with 16 cores and 32 threads at 5.7 GHz boost. It handles demanding games while encoding your stream without dropping frames. The 3D V-Cache technology gives massive gaming performance gains, making it perfect for streaming at high quality while maintaining maximum game settings. A 360mm liquid cooler is essential for this high-end CPU, especially during simultaneous gaming and streaming. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 keeps temperatures low under heavy workloads and includes RGB lighting to match your streaming setup. The 360mm radiator ensures consistent performance during long streaming sessions. This X870E motherboard supports the latest AM5 socket and includes Wi-Fi 7 for the fastest wireless speeds available. It has multiple PCIe 4.0 slots for expansion, built-in Wi-Fi, and robust power delivery to handle the 9950X3D's power requirements. This X870E chipset also provides future upgrade compatibility. 32GB of DDR5 6000 RAM ensures smooth performance in modern games and content creation. DDR5 6000 is the sweet spot for AMD's latest processors, providing the best balance of speed and stability. The CL30 timing keeps latency low for responsive gaming performance. This 2TB NVMe SSD provides lightning fast load times for games and applications with PCIe 4.0 speeds. Games load in seconds rather than minutes. 2TB is going to give you plenty of space for multiple large games plus your operating system and other applications. The RTX 5090 is the ultimate gaming and streaming GPU. With 32 gigs of VRAM, it handles 4K gaming at maximum settings while simultaneously encoding your stream using NVENC. The massive VRAM buffer ensures smooth performance even with demanding games and streaming software running together. This card delivers uncompromised performance for both gaming and content creation. This premium case features a customizable LCD touchscreen on the front panel and tempered glass windows to showcase your build. It includes excellent cable management, supports full-size graphics cards, and has USB-C connectivity on the front panel. The design maximizes airflow while looking stunning. A 1000 watt power supply provides enough headroom for this high-end system with room for future upgrades. The 80 Plus Gold certification ensures energy efficiency, and this fully modular design is going to help with cable management. This PSU can handle the power demands of both the 9950X 3D and the RTX 5090 without issue. These RGB fans provide excellent airflow while adding synchronized lighting effects. The modular connection system makes cable management cleaner, and they integrate well with most RGB software for customized lighting setups. The total build cost comes to around $5,045. This represents the absolute pinnacle of gaming and streaming performance available today. This no-budget build delivers uncompromising gaming and streaming performance with the RTX 5090 and Ryzen 9 9950X 3D combination. It's designed for content creators and gamers who want the absolute best experience available, whether that's 4K gaming while streaming, high refresh rate competitive gaming, or future-proofing for upcoming releases. The premium components ensure this system will handle any workload you throw at it for years to come. I'll link to all the parts in the description below, but I can't guarantee that the prices will stay the same. And as always, thanks for watching.